other major towns and rural areas across the country, and supply export markets in the common market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA, region and beyond. The main objective of this initiative is to leverage on our natural resources to accelerate industrialization, provide employment, improve the quality of life in line with the aspirations of the city of Nakuru, and support national development through enhanced participation in the growth of the national gross domestic product. The initiative will complement the new initiatives such as the County Aggregation and Industrial Park, the KAIPS, commonly known as the Egerton Agro-City Park. We are setting up at Njoro in partnership with Egerton University and the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry. To this end, the team will undertake the following tasks within the next 60 days, and I'll be very quick. They'll review the current policy frameworks for industrial development in Kenya and Nakuru County specifically, highlighting the articles necessary to undertake the mandate of the task and implement the initiative. We are reviewing the documentation and preparing the frameworks for the current national and county government, legal and institutional frameworks for industrialization, assessing the technical, legal, institutional support necessary for the initiative's implementation. We've also undertaken, we are in the process of undertaking a stakeholder mapping and prepare reports identifying the primary, secondary, and tertiary stakeholders and engagement plan. So Your Excellency, because I know you are rushing and you don't have a lot of time, we are really in preparation to take off as Nakuru County push industrialization in line with Kenya Kwanza's manifesto and with Nakuru County being the green energy powerhouse of this country. In the short term, Your Excellency, within a period of 6 months, we are identifying investors, and we hope to get more, both local and international. We've provided the framework necessary for these engagements. We've prepared terms of reference, and we are in the course of finalizing that and full feasibility studies and scoping a report for the strategic environmental assessment. In the medium term, Your Excellency, within the next 1 year, our team will provide the approved C to potential investors and work with them to develop the terms of reference. We are preparing full stakeholder management strategy and facilitate the achievement of this in the next 1 year. And for the long term, within the next 3 years, Your Excellency, we shall facilitate the development of facility management institutions within the county, ensuring that all facets of the Green Industrial Park operate smoothly and sustainably, and that everything is done according to the law. Your Excellency, to this end, my government has requested technical assistance from Power Africa under the aegis of the United States Agency for International Development, USAID. We are exploring bringing on board more partners to realize this endeavor for a green county fully. We are confident that in the fullness of time, the phased targets of the initiative will deliver to us a county which is an industrial hub with food security, employment, and a developed agricultural base as collateral advantages. In conclusion, we feel proud to be associated with the GDC and GlobeLec Kenya for this great milestone, not just here in Menengai, but countrywide. We will continue to provide a conducive and investment regime for all investors to flourish as we seek to develop Nakuru County. We pledge to work closely with the national government, state corporations, private investors, and individuals on our journey to restore Nakuru as the hub for industry and agribusiness in the country. Thank you, Your Excellency. And as I sit, let me take this opportunity. Oh, am I do? Oh, okay. Okay. I'm not good at reading hand signs. No, it's okay. It's okay. You do.
Thank you. Thank you, Excellency.